Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we start the new topic is sequences 1, right? In sequences 1, yesterday we learned increasing sequence and decreasing sequence, right or no? Increasing sequence is small to big, decreasing sequence is big to small, right or no? Yesterday we learned, and we completed some example question and question number 1, and I give you question number 3 is homework. So remaining questions now we are going to finish, okay? So question number 4. What is the question number 4? This is 8 by 8 number grid. There is a grid means what? Like any box type of question, that is called grid. So on your copy of the grid, color the multiples of 7. What is the multiples of 7 means? Like multiples of 7 means, what is the meaning of multiples? Multiples means the answers of the table. Like multiples of 3 means 3, 6, 9. That means answers. Multiples of 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, that means the answers of that table. Multiples of 6 means 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, like this way. Okay, now multiples of 7, look at here. So I colored here, I shaded 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, right? The answers of the 7 table, right or no? But now shaded, after that he said that what do you notice? This all what you notice, this is like diagonally, right or no? This is all called what? Diagonal, right or no? This is all called what? Diagonal. Vertically means like from up to down, like vertically. This is called vertical, right or no? Straight way, right or no? Like this one vertically, and this one is horizontally, and this one is called what? Diagonally. So what do you notice? All are in one line, and which is diagonal, right or no? Which is diagonal. Okay, now if you continued the sequence, would 100 be in the sequence or not? He asks you 100 be in the sequence or not. That means he asks you 100 is in the 7 table or not, right or no? Because this all are multiples of 7. That means answers in 7. So simply what we do, you can divide with the 7. 7 1 is 7, 3 is the remainder, and 0 carry from up to down, 7 4 is 28. Remainder is 0. Whenever the remainder is 0, here remainder is 2. Whenever the remainder is 0, then that number is multiple of that number, multiple of 7. Understand? Like 100, he asks you 100 is in the sequence, so what you do, simply divide by 7. If the remainder is 0, then it is in the sequence. If remainder is not 0, then it is not in the sequence. Now look at the question number D. He asks you, is 105 is in the sequence? Yes, because is divisible by 7, or we can say that it is multiple of 7. Look at here, 7 1 is 7, 3, then 5 carry from up to down, 7 5, the remainder is 0 or not? So when the remainder is 0, then that number is in sequence. If remainder is not 0, then that number is not in the sequence. Understand? Now these are the symbols. Before, I think you learn only positive symbols or negative directly. That means when you're negative means big number minus small number, but here we are going to use here both are same symbol, like minus minus, or small number minus big number also. Okay, so look at here, you have to remember this one. If the symbols are same, we should add. If the symbols are different, we should subtract. These things you have to remember. Okay, if the symbols are same, we should add. If the symbols are different, we should subtract. Clear? Now look at here, example 2 plus 7. Here before 2 there is no symbol. No symbol means what? We can consider as a positive. So both are same symbols or no? So both are same symbols means we should add. So 2 plus 7 equal to 9. In a question number B also both are same symbols. Again both are same symbol means add. Minus 2 minus 7 equal to minus 9. Minus 2 minus 7 equal to minus 9. Okay, like here plus 2 plus 7 what? Plus 9. Plus, no need to write. If you want, you can write also, no problem. Understand? So next, minus 2 plus 7. That means different symbol. Different symbols means what? Subtract. So whenever subtract, 7 minus 2 is what? 5. But when you subtract, after the subtraction, you have to check it which is the big number. So which is the big number? 5 is the big number. Sorry, 7 is the big number. Before 7, positive symbol. So positive, no need to write. If you want to write also, no problem. Like next is 2 minus 7. That means here before 2 nothing means what? Plus symbol. So one is positive, one is negative. So different symbols. Different symbols, what we do? Subtraction. So 7 minus 2 is 5. But before 7, what symbol you have? Minus. So you have to add minus. Okay. Similarly, you can do it this question. Now what is the number in this sequence? How do you know? 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. That means what happened? 2 is decreasing. So 0, look at here, 0 minus 2, right or no? This is decreasing, right or no? How much decreasing? 2 decreasing. So minus 2. 0 minus 2, how much? Minus 2. Otherwise you can look at the number line also. 8, 2 numbers back, 6, 2 number backs, 4, 2, 0, then minus 2. So answer is what? Minus 2 is the answer. Okay. Now for the question number 6 is the homework for you. According to question number 6, I will explain one question here. A sequence start at 500. A sequence start at 500 and 90 is subtracted each time. That means every time subtracted how much? 90. So now look at here, 500 minus 90 is 410, right? 410. 410 minus 90 how much? 320. 320 minus 10 how much? Minus 90 how much? 230. Again, 500 minus 90 is 410. 410 minus 90 is 320. 320 minus 90 how much? 230. 230 minus 90 how much? 140. 140 minus 90, 50. 50 minus 90, look at here, 50 minus 90, that's why I explained these symbols. 50 minus 90, that means here is the positive symbol, here is the negative symbols. So different symbols, what we do? Subtract. So 90 minus 50 how much? 40. But which 40? Minus 40. Why? Because 90 is the big number, so minus 40. Again, minus 40 minus 90, so both are same symbol. Both are same symbol means what we do? We have to add. So 90 plus 40, 130, but minus 130. So answer is minus 40 minus 130. Okay. Similarly, you have a question here, question number 6. This is your homework. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the next class. Okay. Thank you.